Okay, so tuone how to use scientific calculator kwenye statistics to find population standard deviation, sigma, sample standard deviation denoted as S, population mean, mu, sample mean, x bar, minimal and maximum values, summation of x and summation of x square. Hizi ni population parameter na sample statistics. Suppose I have a data set na column ya age. Age ni univariate variable, ni single variable. Age tunaidonate kama x variable. So now utachukua hii hapa scientific calculator, after then utabonyeza on, utai on kwa ajili ya kuipower on. Okay, after then utaklik mode. After clicking mode utakuja kuchoose number 3 option 3 start. Okay, start maana yake nini? Statistics. After then press hii hapa AC. Okay, so now you can see hapa tayari imeshakuwa denoted as a start. Start maana yake ni statistics. After then press hii hapa shift. Okay, then press 1. Okay, shift and 1. After then press hii hapa number 2. Number 2 is data. Now press 2 data. Okay, so I have x ni hii hapa variable ya age. So age is denoted as x na x yenyewe ni hii. Sometime your calculator utakuja additional column utaiona hapa imeandikwa frequency of x. For example, na click hapa shift and then na click mode. Okay, after then nakuja ku scroll down. Okay, then nakuja ku choose number 4 start. Choose 4 start. Then you can turn on frequency or turn off frequency. Okay, suppose I turn on frequency, I press 1. Now you can see I have x variable ambayo ni age, then I have a frequency. Na kwa sababu I don't need frequency hapa, kwa hiyo nitachokifanya nitabonyeza hii hapa shift again and mode. Okay, then nita navigate, nita scroll down, then nita choose number 4 start. Okay, then nita switch off frequency. Okay, so now press 2. Now you can see imekuja namna hii. Okay, so now hii ndio tunahitaji. Na kinachofuata now input your x variable data. So now age na put hapa 4. Okay, so now write 4, after then press equal. Now you can see 4 imekuwa written pale. Now press 2 then equal again is 1. Okay, so now is 1 equal, then is 3 equal, then is 7, then equal, and 2. Okay, now 2 equal, and 5. Okay, so now 5 then equal. Okay, so after input data now press AC. Now good. So find the population standard deviation, sigma. How to find? So now again press shift and 1. Okay, after then choose variance, choose number 4. Okay, now from number 4 unaja kuona number 1 is what? N is a sample size. Okay, number 2 is x bar is a mean, average mean. Number 3 is a standard deviation of x. Number 4 is a sample standard deviation of variable x. Now choose number 3 because tunatafuta nini? Population standard deviation. Okay, so now choose number 3. So from number 3 now when I click equal sign, this is the population standard deviation. Okay, so now what is the sample standard deviation? Sample standard deviation, press shift again, press 1. Okay, so now choose number 4 variance, number 4. Now choose again 4 s nasema kama vile sample standard deviation, x nasema kama a variable is age ambayo ni x. So sample standard deviation ni n-1. Okay, so hii ni n-1. Kwenye calculator nyingine tunaona imeandikwa hapa n-1, yani standard deviation of x minus 1. Okay, so now choose 4. After then equal, this is the sample standard deviation. Okay, now population mean. Okay, population mean denoted as mu. So press shift and 1. Okay, now choose here for number 4 as well, 4. Now choose x bar. Hii population standard deviation is mu, lakini tuna assume kwamba hii ni population sample mean is x bar is a sample mean. population mean is mu, but tuna assume hii yote ni whole population. So now choose 2 then equal, this is a population mean. What is a sample mean? A sample mean maana ni kwamba una pick random sample, okay? For example, you can pick 2, 1 and 3 and 7. Hii inakuwa ni sample yako, so from that utafute average mean. Lakini kwa sababu sisi tuna assume whole data set, find a minimal value from this data set. A minimum is 1, lakini tumia calculator. Shift 1, choose 4. Then I think let's choose go shift and 1, shift and 1, okay? Then choose number 6, mean max. Okay, what is mean? Minimum value. Max, maximum value. Then also 6. Now choose mean. Mean is 1. Then press equal. The minimum value is 1, ambao hii minimum value. Again shift and 1. Now choose 6. Now choose 2, maximum of x. Maximum of x is 7. Okay, now you can see maximum here is 7. Again is a summation. What is the summation of shift 1? Now 3. Okay, so now we have summation of x. Summation of x maana nini? Maana individual data points una add individual data points. Hiyo ni summation. Summation of x square. Okay, so summation of x then it's square. Okay, so now choose number 1, then equal. So this is the summation of x square. Okay, now summation of x, press shift and 1 and choose 3, sum, and choose 2, then equal. 24 is the summation of x. Okay, so now good. So shift 1, then tunaanza metrics kama vile distribution. Now can click distribution. Hizi distributions tunafanya kazi kwenye, you can see this is a P for probability. I think is kwa ajili ya Z test statistic ya Z test, and we have a T for T distribution, T student distribution, T test. Okay, hii inatumika kwenye hasa probability kwenye upande wa Z test na T test na Z table moja na T table. Unaweza kutumia hizi of course kuja kuona, okay?